Hello you lot, nice to see you again. Sorry it might be a little bit noisy. It's a beautiful day here in the UK, which makes a change, and because I'm talking to you I've had to close the window and just put the air conditioning on, so hopefully that's not drowning out my dulcet tones. So it's great to have you with me. It's not going to be a long video today, but I thought it's been a couple of weeks or so since you last came to work with me, so I thought I'd take you with me. If you're a regular, you know it's not going to be in the cab. People still keep asking why, so I'll just cover that very quickly. The long story, the short side of it is London Underground, or at least one manager at London Underground, you know, senior manager, has told me via my manager they don't want me filming anymore. I've got my suspicions of why, but ultimately whether there's a policy that allows me to film or not, you know, London Underground does pay my wages, so you know, if they don't want me to do that, then I can't really argue. People also say, what's the chances of them ever letting me do it again? I don't think anyone's even really looking at it, if I'm honest with you. So chances are no. Obviously, if that ever changes, you'll be the first, or you lot will be the first people to know. It'll be breaking news, but probably not looking likely. Anyway, let's bring it back. So today is Tuesday, the 1st of April. It's my second day at work since coming back off leave. I was in Sunday, had yesterday off. In today, I'm in this week. Now, today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Got the weekend off, which is good because I'm still trying to get over the jet lag. So what is today's plan? If I've looked at the right duty, I'm due to obviously pick up a train at Cockfosters, as that's where I'm based if you're a regular. Take a train to, off the top of my head, I think it's Heathrow Terminal 5, then on to Northfields, have a break. Then it's a long second half, it's what we call a three-pipe second half, so it will be Northfields to Cockfosters, Cockfosters to Northfields, Northfields back up. I'm not sure if it's to Oakwood or Cockfosters and then Stable. I can't remember. And that second half's all on one train, so it's literally just back and forth. So when you get a three-pipe duty, as we call it, so that's through, you know, the main pipe through central London. They're generally around 4 hours long, or a little bit more. I did one on Sunday where I did, what did I do Sunday? I did Cockfosters, Terminal 5, Arnos Grove, Acton Town, and then travelled to Northfields for a break, and then I did Northfields, Terminal 5, Cockfosters. So that first half then, I was driving for about 4 hours 14 minutes, and then the extra 6-7 minutes to travel down for my break. So that just sort of gives you an idea. If I'm going to have a three-pipe long half of a duty, I much prefer it on the first half. It's just more tiring on the second half, just because it's getting later, you just tend to be more tired. But what can you do? It is what it is. That's the plan anyway. A lot can change. They could ask me if I'm in, because well, I will be in early. They could ask me to cover a different duty, or train could be cancelled, or we could have issues on the line. I'll be honest, I've not looked in the last couple of hours of what's going on. I think there was a fire alert this morning, South Harrow, so there was minor delays on the Uxbridge branch, which at the minute wouldn't affect me because I'm not going up there. So yeah, that's about it today. That's about all I've really got to tell you on this side. I do have some other things I want to talk to you about. I'm not going to do that today. So yeah, sit back, relax, and I'll see you at work. So just heading down to pick my train up, chatting away in the mess room, and then it's like, oh bugger, I should have picked my train up 1 minute ago. We'll have it out on time because it's like 8 minutes or so. It's for the poor driver that might be waiting for me, if it's coming on time. soon find out when I get to the platform. Now, the one time the train's on time, don't worry. Oh, excuse me. Got about should have been like 8-minute turnaround, so I got about 6 minutes to turn it around. So even though I was a minute or two late on the platform, the train will be on time out. Well, as far as I'll be on the front to leave on time. So if the driver who I was late taking off, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. So made it to Heathrow Terminal 5. I think we were on time, I didn't actually look. Uneventful. Had the pleasure of another driver in the cab from Oakwood down to Acton Town. Not seen her in a while, so it's always good to have a catch up. The only thing, I'll tell you what I did see, a very quick glimpse of, is the new train. It was in the shed at Northfields. So that is actually, some nights, is out on the network being tested down on the West End. I don't think it's gone beyond Acton yet, so, or down towards Heathrow, but certainly Northfields up to Ruislip, I think, and Acton Town. So I'm going to Northfields later, but I think I'm going in the sidings. So I'll try and keep my eye open and see if I can get a bit of a video of the new train over the next few days. If so, I can insert it into this video when I come to edit it. If there's not one, then I've not been able to get one, so apologies. Right, up to Northfields. So I'm at Northfields, just got off my train. I've got, I think it's about an hour and 5 minutes or something before my next train, so I'm going to chill out in this little, oh excuse me, little room on the platform, and then I'll go use the toilet before I pick up for my second half. So sorry I didn't film, I don't know if you can see me there, I didn't film at Northfields, I forgot. So there's the driver of that train just leaving. She's the one that I made wait earlier when I was 2 or 3 minutes late. But luckily I picked this train up off her because we swapped trains, and I picked it up early, so you know. So I'm back at Cockfosters, as you can probably see. Heading down to Northfields now. I was going to go to the toilet because I actually arrived early, but they had me showing as departing in 2 minutes, so I quickly changed ends. They gave me the signal, called them, and I don't know quite what went wrong, but they took a release. He told me just to stay here and wait for my book time, so that's what I've done. So plan is down to Northfields and then back. Northfield sidings. I'll press that right button in a minute. And we've got Arsenal as well, just finished football, so that'll be interesting. So I'll see you, assuming I make it all the way down there, at Northfields. Hello, to Northfield sidings. I didn't think I was going to get here. Bear me a moment. Come on. I thought I'd probably get reversed at King's Cross. We had a shutdown on the eastbound for about 45 minutes due to a track fire. It also delayed us on the west, so I was about 10 minutes late onto the platform, which means I was due out of here about a minute ago. But not much we can do. Oh, I'm just going to change ends as quick as I can and hope I get the signal up to Oakwood. Not even had time to see if I could see the new train from here, but it's not really important today. So that's me finished now. I was delayed coming out the sidings at Northfields. I was then delayed approaching Acton town. You have to excuse me, my nose is running a bit. So I left Acton town maybe 14 minutes late, and I stabled about 7 minutes late from the timetable, and about 3 minutes late for the end of my duty. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So that's not too bad going, to be honest. Happy with that. What I'm going to do when I've done that, anyway, I'm going to leave the video here tonight. I know I normally film on the way home, but I've got nothing really to share with you today. So all I'll say is thank you for watching. I appreciate that it's not the cab views that you prefer, but hopefully seeing a bit of a train is better than nothing. So again, thank you for watching. Till next time, take care.